Assalamu alaikum and welcome. My name is Dr. Rashida Imam. I am a medical practitioner and the chief product formulator at Rhea Skincare Nigeria Limited. I am also the creator of illabel.ng, where we offer private manufacturing service to other beauty brands, create custom skincare DIY kits, hotel amenities, event souvenir, and of course, authentic personal care formulation courses you don't want to miss. If you are here, it means that you are registering for the free skincare foundation course. Congratulations, because you are absolutely in the right place. To complete your registration, kindly hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. This is because our lecture videos will be uploaded to our private YouTube channel, meaning you cannot access the videos unless you subscribe. I will be your tutor throughout this course. Are you excited for this course? I'm already so excited. Once again, congratulations. I can't wait to see you in class.